Morning, Barry.
How did you get on with the doctor?
I can't do it.
So
He told me I will never dive.
Yeah, because you've got an issue with the... Unfortunately...
I really want to do it, but it's...
Well, it's one of those things, as I said, I could see that there's some sort of an issue just because you couldn't get down.
Yes, give me the money, give me the money. Bye bye. Bye bye. So the ladies are now going back to the hotel, and Anthony and me, we are driving to the ferry to get the tickets for today, and they need the tickets for tomorrow. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Hey?
We need to go there?
Yeah.
No? This way.
Okay, so I need to turn.
So it's full, today is full.
Today food I give you for standby.
Maybe this company today leaving?
This company is closed already.
Completely. Okay.
Just only 10 o'clock.
But how can I get to Koh Samui today? I need to go today.
Today I give you standby.
Okay, but I need a guarantee to go.
Yeah, guarantee because people cancel today. You can go today.
Yeah, but when not, then?
I think 1 people, 2 people you can go. I try standby.
Okay, please. Yeah, please.
For 2 people, huh?
Yeah, because also my visa is expires, so I need to leave the country.
Why you don't want to book it before?
Yeah, I know. I know.
Now it's easy. It's
Yeah, I know. Holy smokes, boat is full. Yes. 2:45.
Today.
Okay. It's pouring. So we just came back to the hotel and realized that no one is here. Vanessa and Fabian got the keys, and we had breakfast this morning, and as I had to cancel my diving license for today because the doctor told me that I can't do it and I'm not allowed to dive, I just canceled the whole diving license, and we check out today and taking the ferry to Koh Samui, back to Koh Samui at 3 p.m. We tried to get tickets, and the lady told us that the tickets are completely sold out. And before we went to breakfast this morning, we booked the accommodation for Koh Samui. So we now have an accommodation for Koh Samui, but we can't get there today by boat. I mean, I could swim to Koh Samui, but... What do you think? How long does it take to swim to Koh Samui from Koh Tao?
You will just die. That's it, you will just die.
So we are now on standby for the speedboat at 3 and just hope that... Oh my god, we get there. But I mean, even if we get at the boat by 3 p.m, a heavy thunderstorm is coming by. Oh my god. Finally you are back. Believe it or not, the next 3 days no boat is going, and we got no tickets for today. The boat is full. Fabian is now downstairs asking if we can stay longer in this room because checkout is at 12. It is now already 11:30, and our boat departs at 3. Transfer to the pier will be around 2. So just hope that we can stay in this room a little bit longer. Otherwise, I guess we would have to wait 2 hours in the hotel lobby. Just hope that we can stay in this room a little bit longer. And as long as I'm waiting for Fabienne, I already start packing because we have to pack anyway. I hate packing. And can we stay in a room or?
Ja, bis 1.
Until 1?
Yeah.
And then we will get the laundry?
At 1 o'clock.
At 1? As I was out for diving yesterday, Fabienne took away the laundry and we haven't gotten it back yet. At 1, right? You said. So at 1 we will get the laundry, and at 1 we have to check out as well. So it is now already 6 minutes past 1. We are once again late for the checkout. We packed and we now leaving our hotel room. But Shola, do with the closing. Everything is totally wet.
I have your Badeshorts here
Sorry.
for the last.
So we now need to leave our room, but we still not have gotten our laundry yet.
Hallo Freunde!
Hello!
Hi! Oh nein! It's so
We need to check out! Did you get all the pictures on the storage?
Huh?
All the pictures on the storage or?
Yes,
Perfect.
everything you need.
Thank you.
keine Wäsche, Leute.
Really?
Really?
Well, where's our laundry? What's up? Is it
Im Wäschetrockner.
how long?
Die bringen das uns zur Fähre.
To the ferry?
Ja, die hat dir, glaube ich, in WhatsApp
Yeah, she
geschrieben.
wrote me in WhatsApp. But when she's coming to the ferry, I mean, we need to.
Ich habe
Get
gesagt,
the boat. So the laundry is, but at least already in the dryer, right? We're leaving.
we are leaving now. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Leute. Das war, ne?
Bye bye.
Tschüssi.
So we now headed to the ferry. We got the transfer from the hotel and just said goodbye to our friends here. We see them already tomorrow because tomorrow they are going to Koh Samui as well as we are. So. Oh, it's raining. Oh. To be honest, we just hope that we get the ferry because we are on standby.
Oh.
We got a ticket, but it's full.
Oh.
Yeah. Maybe we come back.
Oh.
Yeah. So we now headed to the pier. We just hope that we can get the ferry. I mean, we got a ticket, but the ferry was completely full, sold out, and we are on standby. So we just hope that we can leave Koh Tao today, as we already booked the accommodation for today on Koh Samui. So they told us that we are on standby and that we should get there earlier. Yeah.
From there, I think. From there, I think.
Oh yeah. Wow, it's pouring. So just let me go and check if we can go or not. I mean, we are still on standby. Okay?
Ja, guck, aber hol mal bitte.
I now need to go where we bought the tickets because we are still on standby. And I don't know if we can make it to Koh Samui today or not. I just hope it. Hey God. I got the tickets, but we are on standby for the 3 p.m. ferry.
Yeah,
Can we go or is it
you stand by Pete?
Yes.
How many
For-
people there?
2 people?
Yeah, you stand by. You come back 2:15.
So we are still on standby. She told me that we need to wait until 2:15. And then I need to go back and ask if we can go on the ferry or not.
You can do it.
Yeah, okay.
You show me ticket again?
Yeah. First the ticket. Yeah, Koh
Today,
Samui.
today she called me, today there's no standby, it's full. I have one more company, come back this company, one people 1,500 baht.
Oh.
Yeah, the prior, they cancel. Full boat available already, no more people. She called me.
So the boat is full. She told me that we can book another boat, another company for 1,500 baht each person. Yeah, or we can wait still until 2:45 p.m. for this boat. If someone cancels and it's not coming. To be honest, I'm just thinking that she's trying to get more money from us. You know what I mean? So I will just wait now. Let's wait and hope. Wait and hope. So she told me that the boat is super full and the company already called her and we are able to either buy another boat ticket for another boat, which is 1,500 baht each person, or we still wait until 2:45, 50 minutes before the actual boat departs, because we then just can hope that someone cancels or is not coming today. I don't really want to pay 1,500 baht per person.
Nee, ich auch nicht.
This would mean we would have to pay 3,000 baht.
Dann würde ich eher noch eine Nacht hier bleiben.
So I don't know what's going on right now, but just has to follow her. Yeah, okay.
You waiting for standby for.
Yeah.
She give you ticket, na? You wait here, na?
Yeah, okay, okay.
She wait here.
Okay, hopping cab. Okay, okay.
Oh, you for standby, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You wait here first, please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm now still standing here in the line and waiting because just got the standby tickets. I would say 10 or 12 people ahead of me. Just hope that we really get the tickets, and it doesn't look that good, to be honest. The list is almost full of passengers, and yes, so many people around waiting for the boat. I'm also riding all the time with the lady from the laundry because we still have not gotten it yet, and she told me that she's in 20 minutes here at the pier to bring us our laundry. So Fabienne is now waiting right over there for our laundry, and I'm standing here and wait to get the tickets for the boat. Sorry, excuse me, how many seats are left right now?
We wait until all the passengers that book have come to check in first, and then
What do you say about the chance? How high is the chance? Because I really need to leave today. So this is the current boat situation, and I still don't have tickets. Still on standby. This one?
yeah.
Okay. Ah.
And you for your friend?
Yes. I got the tickets. Oh my god. Yeah, I got the tickets. The super last ones. So I got the tickets. Now I just need to find the lady with our laundry. She called me and she has to be around somewhere here. Hello? Where are you? I'm standing here waiting for you. I'm at the pier. Yeah. Yeah, maybe you are on the other side. Let's just get me. Yeah, okay, sorry. Ah, yeah, perfect. Thank you.
I see you over there.
Thank you. Yeah, I was there. Oh, give me a second.
I see you over there.
Yeah, I was running around all the time. Okay.
Okay.
That's it, right?
Yes, please.
Hop and Cup. Have a nice day. Thank you
You
very
too,
much.
bye.
Bye bye. Oh, so we got the tickets and we finally got the laundry as well. No need to board the ferry. Got it. I got it.
Yeah. Ticket?
She has the tickets. Is this one Koh Samui, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Ticket, please.
Yes. Is this our boat here?
Yeah.
Koh Samui?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So this boat is very, very small. Thank you. That's gonna be a very, very funny boat ride. Are you excited for it?
No.
We are sitting completely at the back of the boat. Do you think we get wet here? Huh? So this right here is Koh Phangan. A few people have dropped out and a few people are joining right now. Just a quick stopover and then we headed to Koh Samui, our last and final destination. And we made it to Koh Samui. Now we need to get to our hotel and get something to eat, I would say. Which way to go? What was the name of the hotel?
Pier hostel.
Too nice, yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye. So this is our hotel for the next 2 nights, and by checking I just realized that Koh Tao was our last stop here in Thailand. Our visa expires on Monday, and latest then we have to leave Thailand for our next destination. We are super excited for it, but to be honest, we haven't booked a flight, a train ticket, a bus ticket, nothing. So today is Wednesday, and here on the 28th of February, so next week on Monday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days left, and then we have to leave Thailand already. Okay, so we are just about to book our flight for Sunday. Honey, a dream comes true, or not? She is so looking forward for it. She's so pumped for it. That is her, I would say that's her dream destination for this whole world trip, for this whole journey. Isn't it? Why does it take so long? Booking confirmed! Oh my god, honey, the booking is confirmed! Woo! So, yes, it is official. On Sunday, our flight departs and we're leaving Thailand. I'm so excited for this one.
Ja, wenn man langsam durch den Regen läuft, wird man nasser.
Yeah, the coffee culture.
Ja.
Come on!